Here are the 3 most important things you need to know when starting a YouTube channel. And this is fact-based on what separates successful creators from those who quit early. Content quality and consistency beat perfection every time. You don't need fancy equipment or cinematic editing to start. Viewers stick around for value. They want entertainment, education, or inspiration. And if you post on a predictable schedule, example, every Tuesday at 10 a.m. like I do, even if your early videos are shot on a cell phone, it doesn't matter. Data from YouTube's own Creator Academy shows that channels that upload at least once a week grow 50% faster in the first year, more than the sporadic ones. And your first 10 to 15 seconds of your video must hook the viewer, or that viewer is gone. YouTube's algorithm favors watch time, and the average viewer decides to stay or leave in under 12 seconds. So start with a clear promise. Something like, in 5 minutes, you'll learn X without spending a dime. Thumbnails and titles are your real discovery engine, not just the algorithm. A clickable thumbnail, one with bright colors, expressive faces, and minimal text, paired with a curiosity-driven title, something like, I tried X for 30 days, here's what happened, that can get you 10 times more clicks than using just generic titles and thumbnails. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to A/B test. Small tweaks compound faster than just SEO alone. And before I get to the bonus, like and comment before you subscribe. It is crucial to small creators like myself. There's a free creator Kickstart kit download in the description. Get a head start on becoming a successful creator. And now the bonus reality check, I guess. Growth is slow at first. Most channels take 6 to 12 months to hit 1,000 subs. Focus on improving one thing per video: audio, pacing, hooks, instead of chasing the hot trends. The algorithm rewards retention and click-through rate far more than it does subscriber count, at least early on. So check out this fantastic video right here that tells you everything you need to know about the 6 pillars of YouTube success. I put it here just for you.